Welcome to the first episode of Science with Sephina. Today, we're going to be talking about familiarity. Now, I have come across some situations where I've shown my friend a picture of a person. Now, they didn't know the person or had ever seen the person, but I had. So I thought, well, we're seeing the same person, but I'm seeing them as a familiar face, and they're seeing them as just another person. The same is true for songs, and if you've heard them or not. If you have, it might be like a tune that you can pick up instantly. If you haven't heard it, it will probably just sound like another song. So I'm going to show you a picture of a beautiful scenery. Like any image that you will see for the first time, it will take some getting used to. But after a while, you are familiar with the picture and will, at some point, begin to notice minor details in it. Now, think about when you first saw the picture. You had to get used to the jagged rocks and the sun peeking out behind them. But after a few seconds, or more, you were used to the way the picture looks. And also, I want you to think again about how we are both seeing the same photo with all the same details, but my eyes are used to it and your eyes are getting a fresh start. Now, I'm going to try the same thing, but with a song. For me, this song has been heard by my ears many times. But for you, it might just seem like another song that some jazz musician is playing at a cafe. Remember again that we're both hearing the same thing. The difference is that the song is not new to me at all. And to you, it's an exciting, new tune. It's interesting to think about the complication of hearing or seeing the same thing, but just in a different way and perspective. I hope that you come off this video observing every day about familiarity. Thank you.